Welcome to PacSci DIY, Camps Edition. We're going to be playing with squishy circuits, a fun activity from one of our younger camps. You will need Play-Doh, some LEDs, and a battery pack with leads. Let's start with a simple circuit. Take 2 pieces of Play-Doh and stick a lead in each. Now insert one leg of the LED in each. If it doesn't work, try swapping the leads around. Electricity flows in a loop called a circuit. This circuit starts at the battery pack, flows through the wires in Play-Doh, through the LED, and ends back at the battery pack. This is an open circuit. The electrical current isn't flowing and the light isn't on. This is a closed circuit. Notice the light is on because the electrical current is flowing. Electricity also flows in the path of least resistance. This is another way of saying electricity is lazy. If we give it a way to flow without passing through the LED, it's going to take it. That's called a short circuit. Let's try something a little more exciting. I have a few more LEDs here. What happens if I add an extra light? When a circuit is set up like this, it is called in series. What if I do it this way? When a circuit is set up like this, it is in parallel. Can you find differences between series and parallel? What happens if you take a light out? How many lights can you add? There are a lot of experiments you can do with squishy circuits. Try it out and tell us what you discover.